Hi, how are you? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to change the sold out badge text in Shopify. First, access the Shopify dashboard. On the left, click the online store button. The themes page opens. Find your theme. Click the three-dot button. Menu appears. Click edit code. Theme files page opens. In filter files, search for base.css. A file named base.css. Click it to open your store's styles. Contains all your. We'll scroll to the bottom of go all the way down. Last line, which press enter to add a new line. Next, we'll visit the hosttube.net website. Link is in the description where you'll find the code we'll use. What we'll do now is click the copy button. Just click it. The code will be copied. Let's go back to Shopify and paste the code in the blank line. After pasting, we'll change the sold out badge text to something new. The old text will be replaced with your new text. To change it, go to the first line and edit between the quotes. By default, I'll leave coming soon, but you can use any text you want. You can replace the example text with whatever you prefer. I'll keep the default coming soon for now. After changing the text, click the Save button in the top right corner. The change has been saved successfully. Now let's look at our store. Here's the page before the change. It shows sold out. I'll refresh the page. The badge has been updated with the new text I set. I hope this video was helpful.